would just like to acknowledge the students here tonight for making it to the end of the project, and for the Neutopia team for constantly leaning in and helping out wherever possible, recruiting candidates and scheduling extra sessions with us and responding to our questions.
Thanks again everyone for attending tonight and listening in on our presentations. So meet Vish and Neil. There are user personas which represent potential future learners based on their user interviews and the usability testing.
I really like the hypothesis. And actually one of the questions that I did jot down was, I was going to ask you, was it proved or not proved? So I'm really glad to see that you got there in your presentation.
As they felt this feature was incomplete and lacking some of the more familiar features you would expect in a social interaction page.
Her initial excitement is gone to use such a platform because A, there is no habit, and B, because of the negative emotions tied to it.
If a strong relationship is built from the beginning, that familiarity and loyalty become qualities of the alumni relationship.
I do think there is that gap. You know, we talked about the business challenge, selling to multiple parts of the uni.
One recommendation could be to create more context-specific areas to discuss and share feedback. Is the content on offer framed or curated by the university's needs?
Reposition or repackage the community area as a solution that fills a critical gap in the student experience.
You've done a much richer job of helping us think about different ways of tackling the problem. So it's not to say we knew it already, it's to say you're confirming some of the areas we've spoken about and giving us really rich solutions or options to explore.
Thanks everyone for putting such thorough work and thinking into all of the research. And Jason, thanks for facilitating incredible guidance and mentorship to get such good results from everyone.
Great job. Yay!